Hi everyone, and welcome back to Lori ETC, formerly known as Lori's Crafty Corner and Entretejidos Crochet. Today's video is more geared towards scrapbooking. The kit that I built for doing my life in a pocket scrapbooking, because I do have a bunch of stuff that I need to get documented, and just scrapbooking each and every one of them. I'll have a bazillion albums. So I thought of having an album that's a mix of pocket pages mixed in with layouts. This is the kit that I signed up for, and I get a new one every 3 months. This is for January, February, and March. And it's from the company Coco Loco. So you're gonna see like a bunch of Spanish words because I think it's Spanish. Yeah, Coco Loco Spanish. So yeah, let me show you the initial kit. It comes in this nifty folder, and then you get a bunch of these pages that are double-sided, and you can just cut here, cut there, and just use it as however way you want. There are solids, there are prints. If you can see here, I've already used a few because, let me give you a little sneak peek. Oops. So yeah, I already made a scrapbook layout with it. And then it also has some stamps, some puffy accents, some rub-ons, stickers, some other stickers, die cuts, and some more die cuts. And I just love the color scheme because I feel it has enough color, but at the same time it's muted enough so that everything blends together. So the inspiration to building a bigger kit, because remember, I'm using this to document pocket style and layout style. And for layouts, you kind of need a few more pages, a few more 12 by 12 sheets of paper. So let me show you. This is the initial palette. So I searched for papers, embellishments, anything that fell into this general color scheme. I did not pay attention to oh, but is it the same theme? No, I just went for the colors because initially, it'll just, blend together in the long run. So most of the things that I picked out were, this is Coco Vanilla Studio. I did pick out quite a bit from that because they have pops of color mixed in with more muted colors. So see, it has not the same exact saturation level, but hey, it matches. So we have that one. Some of these pretty florals. Look at that. I just love that. Some peaches. Why was I going to say that these are strawberries? Some butterflies. This is from that other collection. This one. This is Latitude by Laura. So I picked Coco Vanilla Studios. I did pick out some Paige Evans Bungalow Lane, which was one of her fall themed. And I picked these mainly because it has a bit of the darker colors. So if I want a little bit of accent, I have that. Kind of matches this. This is also Paige Evans. See, it's the fall collection. I literally just grabbed, I got so excited, I just grabbed it and chucked it into this plastic box. So now I'm pulling out the little embellishments that are hidden in between. This one I thought, like, you know, the backside goes well, and we have this brown, which could be like a pretty neutral color. Anything that I just thought that went well with this color scheme, I pulled it out. Okay, so this is the acetate from Paige Evans, and again, the colors just match it so well. I even left it. You know what? Let me just pick it out, because it is in its own plastic covering. So there, and look, I'm trying to not pick up the glare, because this glare over here is from the overhead light, but these little leaves are rose gold. So awesome. This is some vellum, and I just love it. I just love it. Even though, you know, at least this is for the first 3 months of the year. So we didn't necessarily travel, but hey, you know, we'll make it work. For the pastels, I went with the Latitud collection, which is why I have those planes, because this is more like a travel themed collection. But here's a little flip through. It has a few darks. In terms of paper, in terms of like vellum and acetate, this is what I have. Maybe as I continue making them, maybe I'll add a few pages or whatnot, but for now, it's a good start. So I'm actually storing these back into the box that I have, just, you know, just to have a little bit of organization, because I can get, if you've seen my previous process videos, you know, you just know. You just know that I've been creating, I've been crafting. Moving on to the embellishments. Again, this was like 2 boxes full of stuff that I just like placed it in there. So I found this dot from Shimmer's Paints. Some wood veneers from that Lora by Lora collection. Some butterflies, flower. This is some cardstock that I had on hand, so I'm just gonna place it there. I did add some thickers, chipboard stickers, some more thickers, stickers. So here's, yeah, let me try and divide them by type. Some more paper that I'm just going to place into the box. Stickers go over here. I even brought in this like rope for a little bit of texture. I did add a spoolie of navy thread. Okay, So you probably saw everything I picked out. I have 3 baggies of assorted die cuts. I have animals, I have text, flowers, butterflies, all that good stuff. So I have 3 baggies of those. Some sheets of stickers. More, this is the jute or ropey thing. This is some navy thread. I think I have like a white one, so I'm probably going to add that one too. Some assorted enamel dots, wood veneer, chipboard stickers. Now this is part of a Christmas collection, but you know, the words like home, together, family, wonderful, I can definitely repurpose them into these upcoming months. Some more thickers. So, and in terms of mixed media, because I do love some mixed media, this is what I'm going to start out with. I inadvertently stored most of my shimmers away. So the 2 colors that I had nearest to me, are these. This is Hot Fudge and Eggnogging, which is like this pretty subtle glittery gold color. That's all part of this trimester's kit. I might add a few things here and there. I might not use everything up, but it's a start. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you liked this video, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.